Howdy folks, another aftermarket product again from Eduard. It's the Big Eduard set again. It's for a P-51D Mustang 148 scale by MENG. Contains the interior parts, photo etch, masks and so forth. Take a look. Typical of their aftermarket product kits come in these cardboard envelopes. First piece, photo etch seat belts, which is nice, all pre-coloured. Nothing to really say about that much. Typical laser cut masks. Some people like them, some people don't. The first product as well, second, third. This is the third piece. Is to do with your bombs, flaps, and wheel arches. I'll take a quick butcher of what that is. Like I mentioned before, red parts is replacement. So replacement doors. You've got the flap at the back of the aircraft. I'm not quite sure what you call that on the P-51 Mustang. Radiator parts going on, door flaps, stuff to go in the wheel arches, landing gear pieces, pieces to go over your bombs if you wish to use bombs on the aircraft, hatches for your fuel tanks, two type of fuel tank. So again, there's the products for it. There's the round pieces is the fuel hatches, parts for your bombs, and the flaps, and the radiator grates. Second piece in this kit comes your photo etch instrument panels, and looks like landing gear parts and seat. Yep, mentioned before, red parts are replaced with your instrument panels. Photo etch 3 steps. So you want to use super glue or maybe white glue, stick it together. White glue dries clear. I use white glue in between the instrument panels so it looks like glass anyway. Gun sight replacement. Compass going down, back part of your seat replacement. Yeah, this is all to do with your seat replacement around the cushion of your headrest part. There's one of your fuel tanks that sits behind the pilot, internal fuel tank. Radio equipment as well. It sits on top of the fuel tank. Inside the cockpit trim arms and stuff, and probably the lever for your landing gear probably as well. Both sides there's more replacement parts of interior. This part is to do with inside your cockpit, parts on your upper flaps. So there's the replacement seat parts and flaps. It's the brass photo etch I use, and some of the radio equipment and pieces for your fuel tank. Here's your photo etch for your instrument panel, all nice in colour. and little dials and levers and stuff. It's nice. So if you like this little quick vid, it's a product on Eduard's Big Eduard set, 1/48 scale P-51D Mustang by MENG, or for MENG. I mentioned like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.